What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're inside a 2005 Toyota Camry XLE. This one actually belongs to my buddy. He's letting me drive it because, you know, I offered to wash his car and do his headlights and things like that. So let's hit it with the cold start. It's been sitting here for a minute. Today we're gonna go for a POV ASMR style test drive. Let's go. Before we get the video started, I just want to quickly shout out all my subscribers. First of all, Dennis, thank you so much for commenting again. He, you know, I know the channel has changed a lot. If you've been following me, I've done so many different things from, you know, really heavy editing on videos where every like 2-3 seconds there's a different sound, a different image, to now I do just ASMR. And then before then I used to do nothing but vlogging. And there was, you know, the channel's changed, it's evolved. I think I've changed, it evolved a lot. But I just want to thank Christian, I want to thank Dennis, I want to thank all you guys for sticking with me, for sticking around. I got 4,000 subs, it's not a lot, but you guys are the best. The few, but the best. Thank you guys so much. That's enough talking. Let's let the car do all the talking. Well, that took a while to get here. A lot of stoplights. We're actually here at a Chinese place. We're gonna go eat. It's Friday. We don't eat meat today because we're whatever. And actually, I gave up beer for Lent, so no more alcohol for me, which is actually a good thing. Short video, but thank you guys so much. Just basically like a thank you kind of video. I love you guys. I love that you guys support me, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.